What's up, YouTube fam? It's Dark Angel's Journey. I'm Shakira. What a move! Overnight while I was sleeping, I rolled over and I looked at my phone. I looked at TradingView and I was like, God dang it. Can't give anybody a chance to get in on them longs. You know what I'm saying? It's just bullshit. I hope lots of folks got in on this big, aggressive push up. Well done if you did. This looks very beautiful, very expandy. I'm hoping that we can get some stuff out of this. All right, so let's clean up. We finally moved away from this daily fair value gap. Awesome. Let's set ourselves up with some. There's a lovely equal hot. Can I please? Thank you. Lovely equal highs up here. I don't know if we'll get there today. We've moved an astronomical amount since yesterday. So the probability that New York session will end up being more chop suey than continuation is possible. Now let's take a look at news really quickly. So it's Wednesday, April 8th. We have no news, just some FOMC minutes at 2, which shouldn't be a big deal because we already know what the FOMC findings or whatever was or were from last week. So this is just the minutes from that same meeting. So no big deal. Markets already priced that in, is what I'm saying. Anyway, words are hard. Wow. Yeah, so they blew through everything I had set up. Let's clear all that out. Juicy equal highs. Let's clean up. Let's clean up here. And let's look to the long future. All right, so like I said, we have equal highs up here. And I'm just going to note, just put equal on there. Then we have these juicy highs up here as well. Definitely in the crosshairs. Let's get that up there. Another previous day high. Not technically equal, so I'm just going to take that off. Wow, let's drop to the 4-hour. I am just salty. I can't tell you how salty I am. I am salty. We gap open right here and then ran up. So I will note the gap though. I will note this juicy gap because with this insane trading environment, we are like one tweet, one news article away from just dumping. Oh man, this is ridiculous. I am just impressed. I'm going to note this 4-hour bearish fair value gap that we've run up into right there. So we tapped it and paused. It's not a strange place to do a bit of a reversal from, as we can see. Oh, my head is a little big. Hang on. Let me fix that. Let's make it a little. Actually, let's do that. And then let's move this way so you can see it. There you go. All right. So as you can see, we've got this 4 fair value gap that price has tapped, dropped, tapped, dropped, tapped, dropped, and just used multiple times. So for me, if we can like bust above this, that might be a beautiful catalyst for a long. It's also a nice place for a short. But after this big aggressive push up, I mean, obviously we're all bullish, right? Which is probably why they will punish people for being bullish, at least initially. So I would say be patient, wait, and just be ready. Right now we're holding. So let's see, 6 o'clock, 7, 8, 9, 10. Damn, that opened and then it looks like London got, this tiny piece here. Wow. Okay. That's just crazy. So I'm going to note this 1-hour fair value gap here, knowing that we have tons of liquidity below after they've literally run through everything like it was just melted butter, right? It was all just melted butter. It's so crazy. So crazy. So, I mean, everything is bullish. We've dunked our way into a ton of stuff. Honestly, if we break into this fair value gap, I'd be interested in a long up to take the equal highs, maybe even to fill the gap. That's how bullish we are. But first, I would love to see some retracement. So again, I'll be waiting for New York Open, 15 minutes after open, and then I'll be able to trade. So I'll have to wait and see. But right now, we are aggressively bullish, like aggressively. So I'm going to take that aggression and turn it into longs as much as I can, but not here. I would like to see a retracement back down and then respect of the 1 hour fair value gap, maybe tap into it, stay above the midpoint, and then a nice juicy wick inducing push to the upside. All right, that's all I got for today. Dang. But like I said, with that big aggressive move up, the possibility of them just going sideways and not really like following through is probable. We'd have to see like an aggressive move at open and continuation behavior. And then, we know they just want to keep going up. All right. Be safe, be good. Shakira out.